Hi everyone. Today we're going to be talking about how to unlink a Google form from its Google Sheet. So when you go to the responses section, you have the option, if you go down to the right, to click on the green square that is the sheets. And so if I click on it, I can go to the sheet that is linked to that Google form. Now, in this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to unlink them. So you're going to go back to your Google form, and you're going to go down to the right, and actually it's right next to that green icon that we just clicked. It's the three vertical dots, and when you click on that, you're going to get a couple options, and you'll notice the third one from the top says unlink form. And when you click on that, it's going to pop up this new screen for you, and it says, are you sure that you want to unlink this form with the current spreadsheet? So you want to make sure that this is the actual one that you want to unlink, because then it goes on to say new responses to this form will no longer be sent to the spreadsheet, but existing data will not be deleted. So that means is that if you have already created the spreadsheet before, and from the responses that you had from earlier on, those responses data will still be in that spreadsheet, but any new responses from that form will no longer go directly to that spreadsheet. All right. So if that is the option that you want to do, then you're going to click unlink. And now you have a separate Google form and a separate Google Sheet, and they're no longer linked together. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial on how to unlink your Google form from your Google Sheet.